Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the notification and status bar. Now let's tap on status bar. It should be on the second position, and as you can see, almost at the very top we've got the battery style and the battery percentage. So before we will turn on the percentage, I want to focus on the style. After tapping on it, as you can see, we've got 3 different options to choose. Currently we've got the vertical one, which is, let's say, a default and maybe normal. Here we've got the loop option, which is quite cool, I would say, as you can see, or we can do not show it at all. So let's go back. It's of course up to you which icon you would like to see. I think I will pick the loop one. So after picking the style, all you have to do in order to show the percentage is to simply tap on the switcher. And as you can see, it will immediately appear next to the battery icon, or just on its own if you will pick to not show the icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.